And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove all WhatsApp group members at once. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to remove all members from WhatsApp group, you will need to be either the group admin and remove each member individually, then exit the group yourself to remove them. There is no way possible to remove all the members at once from your WhatsApp group. So once you simply tap open your WhatsApp, you need to now simply go and tap on your group. So if you have different kind of members or like different members in this group, you can simply as an admin hit on their name or simply tap on their name and remove them from that particular group and simply exit from this group yourself as well. After doing this group member or like this group chat will not be available as you have removed everyone from your WhatsApp group. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.